Hello everyone, myself Swati Haritas, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, AES National Degree College, Gauribidur. In this session, I would like to discuss on SN1 mechanism. What is meant by SN? S represent substitution, N represent nucleophilic. Reaction involving replacement of an atom or a group by a suitable nucleophile is called as nucleophilic substitution reaction. A nucleophilic substitution reaction involves two changes, that is breaking the bond between carbon atom and leaving group. Second one is forming a new bond between carbon atom and entering group. The entering group is nucleophile. Usually, alkyl halide undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. The carbon halogen bond in alkyl halide is polar due to the greater electronegativity of the halogen as compared to carbon. Carbon donates electron and carries positive charge, whereas halogen accepts electron and carries negative charge. When a strong nucleophile approaches an alkyl halide, the halogen atom, along with its bonding electron pair, is replaced by the incoming nucleophile, which forms a new bond with carbon atom of alkyl group. Based on kinetic studies, two distinct pathways are suggested for this reaction, that is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution or SN1 reaction. Second one is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution or SN2 reaction. Let us know about SN1 mechanism. Nucleophilic substitution reaction that follows first order kinetics means depends only on concentration of alkyl halide is called SN1 reaction or unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Example, hydrolysis of butyl chloride by alkali to form tertiary butyl alcohol. Whenever tertiary butyl chloride is treated with NaOH, it undergoes hydrolysis to form tertiary butyl alcohol. Here, rate of a reaction depends only on the concentration of tertiary butyl chloride, hence the reaction is first order. SN1 mechanism takes place in two steps. First step is formation of tertiary carbocation. Tertiary butyl bromide undergoes ionization to form tertiary butyl carbocation and bromide ion. This step is slow step and rate determining step. The obtained or formed carbocation is planar in nature. Second step is attack of nucleophile to carbocation to form tertiary butyl alcohol. Carbocation is treated with OH minus which forms tertiary butyl alcohol. This step is fast step of the reaction. Overall, tertiary butyl bromide is treated with NaOH. It forms tertiary butyl alcohol. The stereochemistry of SN1 mechanism. Since carbon atom which is formed as carbocation is planar in nature, the OH minus ion can attack the carbocation either from the front side, that is same side of the leaving group or from the back side. If it attacks back side, there is inversion in configuration. If it attacks front side, there is retention in configuration. Here, racemization is absorbed. Hope you understood. Thank you so much.